Midnight air, the kind that settles deep. Ash on my fingers, secrets I don't keep. Look up, no clouds, just open black. Pass the bottle back, ain't no turning back. We've been running circles in our own heads. Now we're grounded here on pine needle beds. Someone laughs about that time in June, when we missed the bus beneath the blood-red moon. Tonight we let the world fade out. No clocks, no calls, no doubt. Just your hand in mine and embers rising slow. This is where we're meant to be right now. She leans in close, her hair smells like rain. Says you've been quiet, I just nod again. Didn't need words, we both know the score. Some days you carry, some days you're carried more. Cans clink soft against the cooler side. Old stories bloom where new ones hide. No grand plans, no map to trace. Just this circle of light in an empty space. Tonight we let the world fade out. No clocks, no calls, no doubt. Just your hand in mine and embers rising slow. This is where we're meant to be right now. Smoke curls upward, joins the drifting haze. Nobody's perfect, but tonight we're okay. Not fixed but free for just a while. Free from the grind, the forced smile. I watch the flames eat up the log. Think how rare it is to feel unloved. From the feed, the noise, the endless race. Here time moves at its own pace. Tonight we let the world fade out. No clocks, no calls, no doubt. Just your hand in mine and embers rising slow. This is where we're meant to be right now. Yeah, just like this.